Hi everyone, and welcome to this discovery lesson on the power rule for integration. As you soon will come to find, integration simply is the inverse operation of differentiation. Just as addition and subtraction are inverse operations of each other, and multiplication and division are inverse operations of each other, and squaring a quantity is the inverse operation of taking the square root of that quantity, differentiation and integration are just two more operations in your list of inverse operations that you will have mastered. You are about to discover how the integration process undoes differentiation and vice versa. Now you will be given the derivative and asked to find the original function from which that derivative came. This process is called anti-differentiation. You are going to be given four problems, four derivatives, for which you need to determine the original function from which those derivatives came. For example, you could be given 3x squared to be the derivative of a function. What would the original function have been? Hopefully you've thought about it and you found that the original function must have been x cubed, because if you take the derivative of x cubed, you get 3x squared. As you work through these problems though, try to think of another fact that needs to be true of the original function. So let's get going. The first problem, you are given that the derivative of a function is known to be 5x to the fourth. What would the original function have been? Number 2, you are given that the derivative of a function is known to be x to the sixth. What would the original function have been? Number 3, you are given that the derivative of a function is known to be 1/2 x to the fourth. What would the original function have been? Finally, number 4, you are given the derivative of a function is known to be 5. What would the original function have been? So great job, very well done. Let us continue with the lesson then.